Hello everyone, welcome to this demonstration of MailerLite Odoo connector. It integrates your ERP with the powerful email marketing automation. It syncs the contacts, subscribers, and the campaigns in the real time, helping businesses run targeted email campaigns and improve your customer engagement effortlessly. So here for the first step, I have already configured the database, and now I'm just going to the email marketing module. So here you will find one list item for the MailerLite. So for the first step, we have to navigate to the MailerLite configuration. So here you have to create the new credentials for the same. And you have to enter the name, API key and the verification email you have created at the MailerLite portal. So here we have already added the credentials. So after that you can able to see it is showing as a connected. So here we have a three option. We can import or export the customers, the groups and the campaigns from Odoo to the MailerLite. So first I'm just going to import the customers from the MailerLite. So for the same I'm just going to click on this import. So you can see the 15 customers are imported. Now I'm just going to the contacts. So here you can able to see the customers are imported to the Odoo. So here in the MailerLite we have created this users or subscribers. So it will imported in the Odoo as a customer. After that, if you want to export the customers, so you can also able to do the same. So I'm just going to export it. You can see the customers are exported successfully to the MailerLite portal. So if you just refresh it, so here in the synchronization history, you can also able to see the export detail and the date and time. Here in the MailerLite, you can see our customers are exported. After that, we have an option for the groups management. So if you want to export the mailing groups or import the mailing groups, so you can also able to do the same. Now I'm just going to import the groups from the MailerLite. You can see we have imported two mailing groups. In the history itself, it is showing like two groups are imported. So if you want to check the groups, you just have to click on this mailing list. So here you can see the groups are imported from the MailerLite. So here in the groups you can able to see, here you can able to see we have two groups in the MailerLite. If you want to create the new, you can create from here. If you want to export the groups, so from here you can able to export. So from here in the mailing list, if you want to export the particular group, so you can also able to do the same. So I'm selecting the group and I'm just going to export it to the MailerLite, and I'm select the connector. So here in the MailerLite you can track the details like our groups are exported in the MailerLite. After that, we have an option for the campaign management. So in the same way, we can able to import or export the campaigns from the Odoo itself. That you have to go to this MailerLite. So under that you will find one option for the campaigns. So here I'm just going to create the new campaigns. Now I'm just going to import the campaigns from the MailerLite. So here you can see we have successfully imported the 11 campaigns. So from here you will find the campaigns. So you can see our campaigns are imported from the MailerLite. So in the same way, if you want to export the campaigns, you can able to export it from here. And you can track everything in the synchronization history. Now I'm just going to the mailing list. In the list view, so here you also have an option to export the mailing list to the MailerLite. For exporting the customers, you just have to navigate to the contacts. So from here you can also able to export the customers to the MailerLite. So this is how our module works. If you have any questions and doubts regarding the same, note down in the comment section. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe BrowseInfo's channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.